Here's the best way you can make 5 to 10K a month as a complete beginner. And all you need is a phone and a laptop. Now don't worry if this seems highly competitive. The market for this is billions upon billions of people, and 90% of you have already kept scrolling by anyway. Make sure you like and save this video for later, and let's walk you through the process. This process is called freelance digital marketing or affiliate marketing. Now you're going to go to Digistore 24 and get started for free. Once you get logged in, you're going to select the marketplace. From here, you're going to select a product from all these different categories. We call these niches. For this example, I'm going to use health and fitness. We're going to find a product like this one that has a high commission percentage. Selecting a popular offer is super important. It's going to save you a ton of time. Because it's already selling well, that means affiliates are already having success promoting it and customers are getting results. Once you have your right offer, you want to click the blue Promote Now button. You will get a special link that looks like this to promote that product. So when somebody buys through that link, you're going to get paid a commission. Now my personal favorite way to do this is with high-ticket affiliate marketing, where you're making $1,000 or more per sell. If you have any questions, put them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them.